Boys, you're right on time.
What?
The suits, the special suits you order, just like Ross promises, right on time.
We ordered special suits?
Yeah, they're ready for pickup. Come on in.
Oh, hold on. Let me finish my Otis Spunkmeyer muffin. Yeah.
We're good at what we do.
You done? Let's go.
Dude, this place has everything. Oh my god, dude, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, look at that over there. Dude, they even have vending machines. Oh my god. Oh my god, free Pop-Tarts.
Wow, there's so many things in this vending machine too. Like Doritos, yeah man, Lay's, oh yeah, oh man, oh
Oreos, oh man. Oh my god.
Oreos, oh Oreos, they're right there, man.
Boys, the suits. This way, the suit.
Dude, today was awesome. We're getting raw suits. Oh, do
Yeah,
you wanna get some food out of this?
dude, we should get some food.
What do you wanna get?
Yo, dude, you have a tattoo.
What?
Dude, you have a tattoo. Do I have one? Dude.
Dude, Taco Bell.
Yeah, dude, I could definitely go for some of that.
Dude, what does mine say?
Wendy's.
Yeah, we can get that if you want.
What does mine say?
Taco Bell.
Yeah, dude, I already said I was good for that.
Okay, dude, what does mine say?
Wendy's.
Dude, you just said you wanted Taco Bell.
Yeah, what does mine say, dude? Dude! Wendy's.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm down. Ah!
Okay.
Boys, your tattoo says Wendy's, yours says Taco Bell. That's it, you're done.
Whoa, so sick, dude. Yeah, this is awesome.
So sick. Oh
Yeah,
my
man.
god, dude, let's walk around. Dude.
We're totally not in a
You look pretty
bathroom or
cute.
anything.
Whoa, dude, these suits are so sick though. I
Yeah,
love them.
they're
I
sick
love
nasty,
these Nike suits.
They really are, dude.
Yeah, they're nice, right?
Yeah,
they're
cool.
completely paid for. All you gotta do is just sign. They're all
Dude,
yours.
Sharpie pen. Oh my god, you are high class.
That's name brand, dude.
There you
Oh. Ow. Okay.
Okay, you don't need. Okay, good job. You just both use.
I wonder what could be in these swanky sweatshirts. Oh man, can't find nothing.
Dude, AccuView contacts.
Whoa, contacts. That's awesome, dude.
Oh, look at that. Cool.
Burt's Bees.
Dude, I got the Care One dental floss.
Wow, I wish I had something for my teeth. Oh look, Stride extra long lasting flavor gum. Not Stride, extra.
Dude, Game Boy.
Whoa, I feel something wet in my sweatshirt. Coca-Cola, that's what's up.
The Sky.
What's good?
McDonald's apple pie.
Dude, you have a tattoo.